Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. After that, click on this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to turn it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu and click on this icon of a sun instead. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled, so to disable it, hit the same tile again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!